Hi, the world. I'm JK. As usual, I come today to present you this beautiful, amazing dreadlocks, the most protective and soft dreadlocks that you need to watch and you need to try. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos coming up. I greet you from wherever you are watching. People from Brazil, USA, Canada, all countries of South America. Oh my goodness, my people in Mexico. Wow, when you come back to Europe, a lot of countries, all European countries follow me. I love you so much. France, UK, Sweden, everywhere that you are watching from, I really salute you. When I come to Africa, oh my goodness, you people love this channel. South Africa, Kenya, Burundi, Tanzania, Egypt, all African countries, Nigeria, Tanzania, oh my goodness, Uganda. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, for liking this channel, sharing, commenting, and of course subscribing. This is the most wondrous type of dreadlocks that you will not experience any single amount of pain during the process of locking. Oh my goodness, everybody need to learn this. If you're a hairdresser, if maybe you want to do dreadlocks, please learn this type of dreadlocks. Or you can tell your hairdresser, the one that locks your hair, you can tell them to try this way because this is the simplest, it's the quickest, amazing, pain-free, and your strands are going to be very, very soft. People might actually think it's not dreadlocks, but indeed it's dreadlocks. It's extension dreadlocks. We add braids, artificial braids, that is kinky. I used Afro Kinky for this extension type of dreadlocks. Some people prefer doing it in their own hair rather, but the problem is when you do dreadlocks in your own hair, that is your natural hair, and plaiting or undoing it or removing it becomes a big problem. And the more you do repair on your natural hair, it means that is dreadlocks that are made in your own hair with no extension, braids, that is kinky. You are going to and removing them is, you can do it, but it's very, very difficult. Sometimes your hair might break in case your hair is weak. And then the other thing it's going to take very, very long removing them. But this kind of dreadlocks, it's pain-free, it's very easy in removing, it's very, very easy when repairing. And there's another secret that I'm revealing right now. You can use a crochet hook. My goodness, people don't know this secret. I've been uploading videos when I used the other dread hook, but this time I wanted to show you how to use a crochet hook, and this is the most simplest way of locking your hair or doing dreadlocks using this crochet hook. It makes the work easy, and you will not feel any pain because this hook takes, when locking it takes all the hair, it doesn't leave any hair out, hence eliminating the problem of pain when locking your hair. So this is how you can do it. You can use your dread hook when sectioning to these small boxes, and then after that you can get your crochet hook just the way I'm doing. Of course, don't forget your gel, and then you put on gel to make your boxes neat, to hold this hair in one position. And of course this molding gel, it's also good. I use molding gel, but you can use different types of gels. It depends on, or according to your wish. I use the molding gel. and I used dark molding gel. It is very new on the market and it's so effective in holding your hair. As I did this, I'm using my crochet hook, and in most cases I do it east and north, east or west, and then north. That's how I do it to lock this hair. Sometimes if I can twist it well, I can lock it. I can even lock it once, according to the direction I want my strands to be. So if you want your strands to be looking down, of course you have to lock it from north. If you want them to be coming behind, of course you can use you can lock taking it to the east side. These are the boxes I've locked so far, and what I did, I went on doing the same thing throughout the whole head. People don't know this, but this is a secret. Use your crochet hook when locking. You can use your locks hook, the dreadlock hook, or when sectioning these boxes, but then when it comes to locking the hair, you can use your crochet hook. At the same time, when locking your strands, you can use the crochet hook. It makes it very, very easy, and it eliminates any pain. This client of mine never felt any single pain, and she thought she would take painkillers after doing it, after locking her hair, but believe me, she never took anything. And the following morning she called me. She was like, oh my goodness, I'm so fine. I didn't feel any pain at all. I didn't take any painkillers, as it was always the case. She used to do dreadlocks from other hairdressers, and immediately after doing them, she took painkillers, but this time she testified that no painkillers at all. She felt so wow. The hair is very easy to hold, is very easy to style, very easy. You can wash it, and in times of doing repair, you can do repair, especially after like you feel like the growth is too much. You cannot feel any little pain. I appeal to you, people who love dreadlocks, who especially do extension dreadlocks. Try this type of soft dreadlocks. You will give me good news, and you're gonna testify. If you are there and it's your first time to land on this channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell. For this video, I appeal to you to give me thumbs up for the great work I have done. And of course, if you have any questions, don't forget to go into the comment section and comment right to me. Let me know what you want to ask or what you want to learn about dreadlocks or any other type of hairstyle. Now I'm going to the second step of adding my kinky to make the strands longer. She wanted extension dreadlocks. This is how I add my kinky. This is the most protective way of doing dreadlocks. It's also protective. The hair is hidden inside the strand or inside the kinky, that inside the braids I add on. I add on my hair. That is the kinky for this case. This type of dreadlocks, I've already talked about some of its advantages. No hair breakage, no hair loss, no hair becoming stunted or stunted growth. You will not see it anywhere if you do this type of dreadlocks. By the time you open, your hair will be grown so long. It favors hair growth, it restores your hair, and then it strengthens your hair. It doesn't weaken it, it just strengthens it. I've seen people doing big extension dreadlocks. These are dreadlocks that are hard, they're heavy. So for that case, you are going to weaken your hairline, you're going to weaken your hair, and hence making it to break. But I promise you, if you try this type of dreadlocks, the soft dreadlocks, you are going to enjoy it, because nothing like any pain at all, nothing like making your hair weak, and nothing like losing your hairline. So you're just going to enjoy these dreadlocks. Believe me, you're gonna enjoy it. This is how I do it. It's left and right when I'm locking. She wanted this length. She was showing me the length that she wanted. Yeah, thank you so much for liking this channel. And remember, sharing is caring. Please don't forget to share this channel to your friends. I did it I did it in her in her free time. She didn't feel any pain. Actually she just liked this. This is how I'm going to look. This is how I'm going to look my hair. Of course, don't forget to apply again your gel for good gripping of your strands. And then this is how you're going to lock it. I locked it to east and then north. You can lock even 3 times or 4 times according to how you feel like your hair is, your strand is. You don't have to leave space in your strand. That's why you lock it until you feel like there's no space. Here I locked it thrice and I feel like there's no space. So this is my ending down here. The same thing I've been doing here. This is what I'm doing to make the finishing good. You also have to lock it down here. Thank you from wherever you are watching. Please note that this is the best dreadlocks. These are best type of dreadlocks that you will ever try or you'll ever do. If you are there and you want to learn dreadlocks, you want to learn different hair types, you can contact me through my email. You can get my WhatsApp contact on this channel. You can find me on TikTok as hair crown UG, Instagram hair crown UG, Facebook hair crown UG, and of course my number is right on here. Or you can read it again, is plus 256 779 89 42 59. That's my WhatsApp number. This is the best kind of dreadlocks. You see, you head your hair inside this extension braid, and then you get a thin layer of your kinky extension braids, and then you try to take it around your strand. I want to leave you watch this and make sure you watch it to the end because there are more secrets to be revealed. I thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for always being on board. Please share this video, and if it's useful for you, don't forget to leave me a like. I always post new videos. I upload new videos. Don't forget that, so always be ready to see something new.